In 2020, MWH began construction on a project for the Brunswick Topsham Water District to help address challenges that the 50-year-old facility faced in meeting water quality regulations.
MWH was amazing through the whole project for us because we bid right as COVID was coming to the US. So we were sitting around the bid opening table and nobody knew where COVID was going to take us, if we should be far apart, should we be wearing masks. None of that had really come into anyone's lexicon at that point.
The existing treatment plant, built in 1971, had seen only one filter replacement in 1989, with many systems nearing the end of their useful lives. The decision was clear. It was time to build a new water treatment plant.
The last update on the Jackson facility was in the early 1900s, so severely outdated and needed total overhaul versus an update.
The state-of-the-art Topsham filtration facility features 6 green sand pressure filters, 3 anion exchange vessels, and 2 manganese contactors.
We constructed this facility 100% independent of their existing facility while they maintained operations. And then we had a tie-in period where we tied into their existing distribution, but mostly just upgrading their existing facility to state-of-the-art technology.
Amidst incredible challenges posed by COVID-19, MWH rose to the occasion and worked tirelessly to bring the engineer and the owner's vision to fruition. This project was completed on time and within budget, despite materials being scarce and far exceeding estimated costs.
This project occurred through 2.5 years through all of COVID. We were hit with 100 problems and they solved nearly every single one of them.
Successfully self-performed all process-related work in 10,000 safety incident-free man-hours.
The main challenges encountered during the project was maintaining their operations. Even though we were able to build this site 100% separate from the other facility, we still had some coordination with their existing operations just to make sure that we didn't disrupt water flow, especially during testing.
There was a lot of factors that made construction really difficult, but we knew we needed the project, we needed to keep people at work. It became really a team effort between MWH, us, and CDM Smith, the engineers, to make this project happen.
The new 43,000 square foot facility is an architectural marvel, boasting high-end finishes and attention to quality and aesthetic detail. The facility, which contains the entire water treatment process as well as spacious administrative areas and a garage, was built with a blend of brick, precast concrete, stone masonry, insulated metal panels, and an interior adorned with an extensive amount of maple millwork.
A lot of the treatment facilities that we build nowadays are masonry and concrete construction, and this one really took a step above and beyond and utilized some really world-class building materials, energy efficiency, waterproofing.
Success in this project was built on a foundation of effective communication. The coordination and cooperation between all stakeholders were essential to bring this vision to life.
Our monthly meetings, what's coming up, we're always looking at the horizon. Solve the problems today and look at the horizon. What's coming next? And always trying to anticipate that, which was difficult, but by having those open communications and conversations about the future, we were really able to get through this project successfully.
Pre-construction activities played an instrumental role, and digital delivery methods were a cornerstone of this success. The team was able to visualize the entire project in a digital environment. This allowed for thorough analysis and coordination of all components, ensuring that every detail was accounted for.
We implemented use of digital delivery, installing all the tanks in the basement and all the ductile iron pipe that connected all these systems proved to be very intricate. So we scanned the basement and used digital delivery to map those images electronically so we could design the pipe in virtual reality and ensure that all the pipe would fit versus doing field measures. And we were very successful in that endeavor. We were able to maintain schedule and delivering the job within the scheduled budget and working with the client for all the changes. We were able to deliver the project to meet the owner's needs.
The district would be thrilled to work with MWH again. The willingness to make the project a success, even given the extenuating circumstances that we went through, certainly would be working with them again when we get the opportunity.